Do you have some eggs and cheese in your fridge? Let's make a cheese mankoushe without using any flour and without kneading. And it will only take 5 minutes from you. Preheat a small pan, put some oil and put some sesame. It's optional, if you don't have it, don't put it. Put some mozzarella cheese on the pan and wait until it melts. Break 2 eggs and distribute them evenly over the cheese. But be careful not to mix the 2 layers of cheese and eggs together. Sprinkle some salt and cover the pan. Put it on medium heat for 2 minutes or so until the cheese is gold and the eggs are done. For extra cheese, put some mozzarella cheese inside the omelette and fold it like this. Serve it directly when it's hot and enjoy this 5 minutes no flour mankoushe. The texture of grilled cheese and eggs from the outside is amazing. You will feel like you're eating a dough, but you're not eating any flour. And the cheese is melting from the inside. It's an amazing mix. I'm waiting for you to try it and let me know your opinion. Of course you will like it inshallah. صحتين وهنا.